Wait a minute, Jesus. Is this what Reima looks like? Now, everybody heard by now that your man Bobby Valent. Whoops, I almost messed up. His name is not Bobby Valentino. Somebody else has the trademark for that name. Excuse me. His name is Bobby V. Bobby V was outed allegedly by a tranny named Reima. Now, who is Reima? Reima is Erin McCorkle, or at least Reima used to be. Excuse me, tranny's giving me the hiccups. Erin McCorkle is now Reima. And the great people at the awesome website popglitz.com, that's with the Z, popglitz. You know, I had to pop a glit in the mirror just a few minutes ago. It was a big glit and a lot of juice popped out of it and just squirted all over the mirror. And I was like, oh no, it's horrific. With a capital horror. Anyway, shout out to popglitz. Tioni Spears posted the following article on August 3rd of 2017 titled Transgender Escort. Now remember, this is Pop Glitz saying it. I'm not saying that Erin McCorkle or Reima is an escort. Transgender escort who exposed Bobby V. Wow, the way that they wrote this fucking title. My brain just had a transsexual seizure. Transgender escort who exposed Bobby V's criminal past revealed, plus see photos before the transition. I don't know if that was written properly. I don't know if I just said that sentence properly. I don't know if I just spoke that sentence properly. I don't know what's going on. Here's what Tioni wrote. Though I was already aware of this, I love all of my brothers and sisters, and as the baby overall, I like to make sure that I keep them happy, because there will come a time when I need them to beat someone up, read someone for filth, or buy me something and tell me how great I am. Damn, that's really fucked up to write. Anyways, saying all of that, I would like to thank my big brother Bryce for bringing the story to my attention, even though I already knew about it. Up until this past weekend, no one knew who Reima Houston was, and no one really seemed to check for singer Bobby V. But all of that changed when the transgender quote-unquote escort exposed the singer on video for non-payment of sex services. For the record, this is all Pop Glitz saying this. For legal reasons, I'm not saying that Erin McCorkle or Reima Houston is guilty of any escorting, prostitution, sex services, anything like that. Not my words. I would not say that without actual proof, evidence, or confirmation. For the record, not me saying it. Anyways, back to the article. And there's a link to the article on my blog for legal reasons. If anybody has any issue, it's not me to saying this, is Pop Glitz. Anyways, born Erin McCorkle, straight from the A.com, has done some digging of their own and gave the now viral social media star a taste of her own medicine. Her own medicine, as it has been revealed that she has an extensive rap sheet consisting of several arrests. Reima has a promising career in broadcasting after attending from Winston-Salem State University. The person who wrote this article, you know what, I'm not even going to go there, y'all. Reima had a promising career in broadcasting after attending from Winston-Salem State University, but things took a turn before her transition. McCorkle was arrested several times in Mecklenburg County, North Carolina. Is it Mecklenburg or Mecklenburg? Anyways, for minor offenses like misdemeanor larceny, possession of stolen property, common law robbery, and also has a charge on his record for quote assault on a female. Take a look at the mugshots below. There's even one from last when McCorkle, maybe, wow, do you mean last year? Anyway, there's even one from last where McCorkle was arrested for violating probation last year. Let me try that one more time. There's even one from last where McCorkle was arrested for violating probation last year. They wrote they wrote under the mugshot. Well, this motherfucker wearing a red wig. They wrote under the mugshot, Erin McCorkle Mr. Murno probation violation. Not misdemeanor. Mr. Misdemeanor. They spelled that shit MISDEMEARNO. Miss DeMurno. I don't know what type of fucking charges of Mr. Murno. That's gonna be my video game name, Miss DeMurno Elliott. Anyways, a friend did an interview yesterday stating that Reima planned to extort Bobby V from the beginning, which is also what Bobby claimed himself, but Reima said it wasn't extortion at all. Then they posted a straight from the A video where Aaron McCorkle or Reima Houston, Bobby, you gotta really hold your pants up to your face, Bobby, was talking about doing interviews with different people. I'm gonna reach out to Reima Houston, aka Aaron McCorkle, to see if I can book this person for an interview, which is not gonna happen after this video. Oh Jesus. But anyways, shout out to Reima, aka Aaron. You know, my favorite baseball player is Hank Aaron, and my favorite city to visit is Houston. Of course, I'm straight bullshitting, but the point is this though, man. I'm really gonna reach out to this person, see if I can book them for an interview. What do you guys think about the alleged criminal past of Bobby V's tranny, Reima Houston, aka Aaron McCorkle? Let me know what y'all think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, Meat Magazine blog and Instagram. Be sure to hit that notification button. It's right next to the subscribe button. It looks like a bell. Once you click that button, you'll be sent alerts to be notified when new videos get what? When new videos get who? When new videos get posted, Jesus.